architecturefordesign.com.
The best hotel bedrooms don't feel better because they're luxurious. They feel better because every design decision is intentional. And the truth is, this has very little to do with hotels, and everything to do with how bedrooms should be designed. In this video, I'm not showing you how to recreate a hotel room. I'm showing you how to design a bedroom properly, using the same logic professionals rely on. This video is the beginning of a series about bedroom design. Not decoration alone, not trends alone, but design based on function, logic, and real human use. Over the next videos, we'll break down bedroom design step by step, from the function and layout to bed placement, lighting, organization, comfort, safety, and style as a result of good design. This series focuses primarily on adult bedrooms. Later on, we'll also dedicate a separate part of the series to children's bedrooms, because the logic, priorities, and design decisions in children's rooms are fundamentally different. But before we get into details, we need to understand one thing first. Why do some bedrooms feel better than others? Most bedrooms don't fail because they're small, or simple, or inexpensive. They fail because they were never designed, only furnished. Hotel bedrooms feel calm, comfortable, and balanced because they are designed as systems. Every element has a role. Nothing is accidental. The bed, the light, the circulation, the silence, the materials. They all work together to support one experience: rest. This is exactly the mindset we're going to use it in this series. Bedroom design does not begin with style. It begins with function. And in this space, the primary function is sleep. If a bedroom doesn't support good sleep, no color palette, no lighting fixture, and no fabric choice can compensate for it. But a bedroom isn't only about sleeping. It also supports privacy, intimacy, daily routines, mental rest, storage, and personal time. It's where we wake up, wind down, change clothes, and transition between day and night. Closets, wardrobes, and dressing areas are not secondary elements. They directly affect how calm or chaotic a bedroom feels. Where the closet is placed, how it opens, how visible it is, whether there is space to comfortably change clothes. All of these influence the daily experience of the room. A bedroom must support getting dressed, changing clothes, and storing personal belongings without disrupting rest or visual calm. In many homes, especially in master bedrooms, the sleeping area is directly connected to an en-suite bathroom. The relationship between the bed, the bathroom entrance, the vanity, and the shower is part of bedroom design. Bathroom layout, lighting, privacy, and acoustics directly affect how the bedroom feels. A well-designed master bedroom treats the bedroom and bathroom as one continuous system, not as separate rooms. This makes the bedroom one of the most active and at the same time one of the most private spaces in a home. In the next video of this series, we'll break down all bedroom functions in detail, so every design decision actually responds to a real need. In professional bedroom design, the bed is one of the most important elements influencing the layout, not because it is simply the largest object in the room, but because its position directly interacts with other spatial components: the entrance, the windows, the closet, the bathroom connection, natural light, and overall circulation. Where the bed is placed affects how the layout is organized, how movement is structured, and how proportions are perceived within the room. Bed placement does not act in isolation. It operates in coordination with the entrance position, window placement, storage zones, and access to adjacent spaces such as the walk-in closet or en-suite. Placement, however, is only one part of the decision. The size and type of the bed and mattress matter just as much. A twin bed, a queen bed, or a king bed changes the spatial balance of the room and determines how much usable area remains. A bunk bed introduces a different vertical strategy and affects ceiling height, safety clearances, and circulation. A bed that is too small compromises comfort. A bed that is too large overwhelms the layout. Mattress dimensions, bed height, headboard depth, and whether a bed is fixed, bunked, or pull-out all affect circulation, proportion, and daily use. In the upcoming videos, we will look more closely at how to position the bed within the overall layout, how to select the appropriate bed and mattress size, where the bed should be avoided, and how layout diagrams help prevent common design mistakes, including safety considerations that are often overlooked. Hotel bedrooms don't feel calm because they're empty. They feel calm because unnecessary decisions have been removed. Lighting is controlled, not bright. Materials are quiet, not flashy. The room is organized around use, not decoration. This idea, designing by subtraction, is something we'll explore in later videos, when we talk about materials, color, organization, and style. This series will show you how to design a bedroom based on function, not only style. How to place and size the bed correctly. How to organize the room using layout logic. How lighting affects comfort and sleep. How materials and color influence calm. How style naturally emerges from good design decisions, rather than being applied on top. And how to design for real life, not images. We'll talk about style, but always as a result of function, layout, and proportion, not as the starting point. Each video focuses on one clear design decision. You don't need to watch everything at once. Each part stands on its own, but together, they form a complete system. This first video is about setting the mindset. Designing a bedroom is not about copying hotels. It's about understanding why good design feels better. In the next video, we'll start exactly where bedroom design should start, with function. If you care about designing spaces that actually support how people live, this series is for you. Good design feels better. Subscribe, and let's keep learning to design spaces that truly feel better to live in.